Adding custom fonts to your EventSpark theme. Go to Setup. Under Home in the Quick Find box, type and select Static Resources. Click New. In the name field, type EventSpark_custom_fonts with no spaces. Select Public at Cache Control. If Cache Control is not selected as public, your custom fonts will not be viewable on any of your event pages, and the font will default to the browser's default font. To continue creating the static resource for custom fonts, go to your desktop and create a folder with the name EventSpark Custom Fonts. This folder will contain all of your custom fonts. Paste whatever fonts you require into this folder. Ensure no fonts have a space in the name. You can replace this with a dash, an underscore, or remove the space entirely. Avoid having subfolders within your folder. If you have fonts in subfolders, copy or cut and paste the fonts into the primary folder. The naming convention becomes very complicated with subfolders. Once you have completed your folder organization, compress the folder into a zipped file. Open up your Salesforce tab, select Choose File. Select your newly zipped file called EventSpark Custom Fonts. Click Save. This can take a minute. Now that your custom fonts have been loaded as a static resource, let's change the fonts to custom fonts on our EventSpark theme and see how it changes on our home page. As you can see, our current page does not have a custom font applied. Head over to the Event Themes tab and scroll down to the Colors and Font section. Select Custom Font in the drop-down selection of the fonts you wish to add a custom font to. In the Custom Font Name fields, type up the prefix EventSpark_custom_fonts / and insert the custom font name. You can copy and paste this name, including the file type extension, into the field as demonstrated. Repeat this process for where you require a custom font. Click Save. Now you can go back to your event function homepage, refresh, and see if the changes have been made successfully. Over time, you may want to add more custom fonts to create different themes, or you might even have someone new on board handling the branding of your sites. To add to the font's static resources folder, click Setup. Under Home in the Quick Find box, type and select Static Resources. Find the EventSpark Custom Fonts resource and select it. Click View File to download the current static resource of all your existing fonts. Find the file in your downloads and extract the folder onto your desktop and delete the zipped file from your desktop. You will now have all the previously uploaded fonts folder at your disposal, of which you can remove or add new fonts to. Remember, cut the fonts out of subfolders and remove any spaces in the font names. Ensure the name of the folder is still EventSpark_custom_fonts. Zip the folder. This zipped file can now be re-uploaded to your static resource and save. Click Edit, click Choose File, and select your newly zipped file. Click Save. This can take a minute. You are now ready to change the font to an updated font on your event theme. Remember the name convention. After the prefix EventSpark_custom_fonts / insert the custom font name with no spaces and including the file type extension into the field as demonstrated. Repeat this process for where you require a custom font. Click Save. Head back to your event function homepage, refresh, and see if the changes have been made successfully. We hope this training video was helpful for you. Please like this video and click on the subscribe button to get notifications on new training videos.